Hey guys, here's my Surly Karate Monkey update video. I heard that so many people of you like this build, so I can show you even a bit more of it. Here are some parts I didn't mention in the first video, so I show it in this one. I start with this. As mentioned in my first video, I sewed these 3 bags myself. The idea was to make a ultralight bikepacking build without a rack system, and I don't want it to have huge bags sticking out on the side, so this comes in very handy because the whole bike silhouette in front is super slim, so there's actually no wind resistance, but you have maximum storage capacity and minimum wind resistance. There are also some hidden features with these bike bags. Here is the frame, and I tried to stick bungee cord through the frame and mount little shirts or jerseys or a rain jacket next to the frame. I tried this and it didn't interfere with my pedal stroke, so this is actually also a good trick to mount stuff. Something about the rear bag design: it's actually a candy wrap bag designed to fit my sleeping bag. I sewed this a bit more flared out so that my sleeping bag would have enough space, and these points here are attaching points, so you can choose how tall or how long your bag should be. So if you have a bigger sleeping bag, you just unroll this part and you can strap it even more out so that the bag doesn't wobble during riding. Some of you guys said the top tube bag is mounted too high, so there's no space from stepping down from the bike. That's actually not that true for myself. I have very long legs, and as long as you don't put very hard or sharp objects here, you'll find. So this compresses and there's no hurting myself on this one. Now I can show my candy wrap food bag in front. You know what a candy bag looks like. Just unbuckle these, roll it out, roll one end in and buckle it together, and then you can mount it over the aero bars like this, and you can put your food or your items inside this and it won't interfere with the tire. And if you're worried that your stuff could fall out, you just roll the top tube or the top thing up, buckle it, and ready to go. By the way, this is just a standard length candy wrap bag, so it's actually possible to mount it anywhere. Oh yeah, the ultralight DIY rack. This one, it's actually just a bottle cage, but I was cutting off the upper part of it and screwed it in place, and now I have a little shelf for my food or drinks, you name it. I put the link of this thing here. You can buy it and DIY it yourself. It's easy, even I can do it. Now to the saddle. This is a Selle Royale float saddle, and I chose this one because it has a huge air vent which helps me with the longer rides. Is this Surly Karate Monkey a finished bikepacking build? I don't know. I have to test it in the next few trips. Some things will change, some things not. But I have in my cellar still laying around a tire with a hub. This is actually not a dynamo hub, a standard, a Bontrager one, but maybe I mount a dynamo here and a big light or something to charge my electronics during riding. This would be really handy. Maybe we'll see if I mount this one. For the people who asked about the pedals I use, these are the MagPed Ultra, but I mounted them in a different position. So this is actually the left pedal, but it's actually the right one. This works when I unscrew this bolt and pull off the whole pedal and put the left on the right and the right on the left, and now the magnet is in front. In the standard Ultra pedal it's in the rear, because I mounted this to have a midfoot stroke. So now when I put the magnet on this shoe, it's actually a midfoot riding position. This works much more comfortable with my ergonomics, and this is the only pedal or the only clip system I found to make this happen. MagPed doesn't recommend doing this, but as long as you work carefully and you know what you're doing, you're actually fine. I forgot mentioning this one, my red Hope XC stem, perfectly matching with my red bike pump. A little gimmick. Thanks for watching my Surly Karate Monkey update video. I keep you noticed when I change something. I'll make another video if this happens. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, you name it, and see you in the next one. Bye!